Hey guys, welcome to another Roblox Studio tutorial. I will be showing you how to make a chair. Step 1, we need parts, and we'll make a basic chair model. And you can color the chair, you can change the material. I'm just going to keep it like this for now. Alright, so just build your chair. Do not forget to anchor your stuff, because it will fall apart. So then we need to insert an object. So right click on here, insert object, and then type in seat, and then here a seat appears. Alright, and you can change its transparency to 1 or something. So now there's a seat here. And if you play the game and let it load up for a second, and you sit on it, it does this, so that means I have it placed wrong. So then you just rotate it. And then you can go into here and just make it a little bit flatter. Then now we can test it again. Now it should be a working chair. And boom, it's a chair. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.